Hi, welcome to another video tutorial from 3001web.com. We are a WordPress design and hosting company that do fully managed WordPress hosting, and we like to teach our clients to use their own websites. So in this video we're going to take a look at adding an MP3 demo in WooCommerce. Now this is for people that sell audio tracks, maybe backing tracks or recordings of their own work, and they want to create a demo version that customers can listen to, just a short snippet before they buy. So we're going to cover that in this tutorial. Now first of all, obviously to create your demo tracks you're going to need an audio editor. If you've got one of your own, then you will know how to do the first section of this. If not, then we recommend a program called AVS Audio Editor. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to get your hands on that should you need an audio editor. If you head over to 2001downloads.com, it's spelled just as it is here but with a .com at the end, and you may see it here on the home page, but maybe not, because these are shown randomly, so it may appear there, it may not. If not, then just go up here to categories and mouse over, come straight down with your mouse across there and over to sound and video editing programs. You can see it featured here. If you click that, it's going to take you through to the product, and here is a little breakdown of what the program does. Things like pitch change, auto correction, graphic equalizing, auto level, and the bit we want is creating fade-ins and fades out. You can do things like add audio effects. There are so many functions to this program, there are far too many to list here. So what I suggest you do, just click on this banner here, go over to AVS Audio Editor and grab yourself a free trial. If you decide to buy the program, it's going to cost you $29 one time to buy it. For an extra $20 they do a package where you can buy all 11 of their software titles, which includes a video editor, image compression programs, file conversion programs, so lots of really useful stuff. So for an extra $20 we actually recommend that you do. We use a lot of these programs in the office on a regular basis. So obviously once you've got the program, then we are going to need to create our first demo track. So going to need an MP3 to work on. This is one from one of our clients here. I'm just going to show you this for demonstration purposes. So once you've installed AVS Audio Editor, you can right click the MP3 file and it will give you the option there to open it using the program. So we're just going to click on that and it will load up the file. So this is our full track. So just very quickly let me run through some of these normalize and leveling capabilities this had. It's quite easy to do. If you just head up here to where it says effect and click that, and then the first one you want to go for is normalize, and normalize it to 100% and click OK. And that's not changed there, so it's obviously already been normalized. But the other one we always recommend you use is auto correction, and if you just mouse over that it'll tell you exactly what it does. It enhances the sound and normalizing and equalizes the audio. So if we just click on that once, it will run through and it will do the entire track. And there we go, it's been done. So we've done our track, it's all been normalized, it's all been leveled. What we're going to do now is we need to create our demo version. So we just want a little section of this track. Recommend about 48 seconds or so, because we are going to fade out at the end, so leave a little bit of time for fading out. So I'd like you just to look down here to the right hand side at these numbers here where it says length, because we're going to start selecting a part of the track now to make the demo, and that will change as we select. So just go to the middle line here, click down with your left mouse button and then just drag your mouse to the right, keeping your eye on those numbers at the bottom right there. As you see, we're up to 46. So 48, 49, 50 seconds, somewhere around there, and then just let go of your mouse button. So that's the section we've selected that we're going to make into a demo. So what we need to do is get rid of the rest of it. So just click in just after that little selection we've made, hold your mouse button down, drag it right to the end of the track, and then just hit delete on your keyboard. Now we're not going to save this, so we're not going to lose your original track, so don't worry about that. This little flat line you can see at the beginning here, that's just dead air, there's no sound recording there, so it might be an idea just to click in on that and just select it by dragging again and hit delete and get rid of the empty space at the beginning. So this is our selection. that we are going to turn into a demo. So I'm going to show you how to add a fade in and a fade out on this one, make it nice and professional. So the fade in, we're going to fade in quite quickly, so we're just going to select the first little section of the track there, up to about six seconds. I'm going to fade in over a 6-second period. Okay, so there we go. Okay, and let go with your mouse, and then up here, if you will take a look, you will see the fade in and fade out button. So let's click that, and it's showing us that we're set on fade in. It shows you quite clearly here with the diagram what it's going to do, and we're going to click OK. There we go. We've actually missed a bit at the beginning there. Let me just take that out, that's fine. And then at the end, we're going to fade out a little bit more gently, maybe go about 8 seconds or so, 9 seconds, there we go. Selected at the end by dragging across with your left mouse button, and this time we are going to click fade in and out, and this little tab down here, see we set up fade in at the minute. If we click on this one, it will switch to a fade out, and we click OK. So there we go, we've got it. It's fading in at the beginning and it's fading out at the end. I'll play a little bit for it so you can hear that happen. Nice gentle fade in there. And a nice gentle fade out at the end. There we go. So there we go. So we've got a 37-second demo of this track. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go here and we're going to click on File. This is important. We're going to click Save As. Don't use that one or you'll be overwriting the original track. We're going to click Save As. Then you need to click these little 3 dots down here, this little browse button, and select where you're going to save it. I'm going to save it on the desktop for now, and we're just going to rename that. That's the name of the original track, so we're going to rename it to Wild Horsey Demo, and click Save there and click OK there, and it will save the track to your desktop. So there we go, we don't need to open it. We're going to minimize that, and there we have it. That's the demo track that we just created. So now we're going to add it to a product. So we're going to go over to WordPress admin. I've already logged in. This is a client website, so I'm not going to actually create a product. I'm just going to go through the process so that you can see. So, actually I might create the products, then I'll just delete it afterwards. So if we go to WooCommerce here, and beneath that is products, and we're going to add a product, and we're going to call it Demo Song. And in here we'll go our description. There we go, we'll just paste that in for a while. Okay, so now we're going to move down, and if you were adding this, you would obviously, it's a simple product, it's virtual, it's downloadable, and the price is $1.99. Here you would upload your full track. Okay, so you would literally just click on add file, choose the file, and then upload your full track to that section there, and fill out your short descriptions, your SEO sections. That's all covered in another video. Add your product gallery image and choose the category. We'll put this in single tracks just for now. Okay, so that's the general product add-in. Now we need to add our demo. Obviously that's not going to be downloaded, so it doesn't need to be uploaded down here. They're just going to listen to it. So here's where the magic happens. If you click at the end there and just hit enter on the keyboard, and in the description section we are going to click add media, and then we are going to upload our file, which was the demo, and we're going to click open, and that will upload here, and then we're just going to insert it into the post. And there you can see we have our player has been put in automatically by WordPress. That's nice and easy. So once you've finished all your other product sections, just hit publish to create your product, and then if we very quickly view that product on the website, and there we go, demo song and all the bits and bobs, and there is our little section, our demo. We'll play it just to check. Fades in nicely at the beginning and fades out at the end there. So that's it. That's how you add a product demo to your website. If you found this video useful, then please let us know. If you have any questions and you're a client of 3001 Web, then do put in a support ticket or get us on live chat and we will answer your questions. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you in the next demo video.